Hey Sherry 4x4, Mike Sherry here today. Let's take a look at this 2021. This is a Ram with the Hemi, and it's the eTorque Hemi. Crew cab, 4-wheel drive, big horn. It's been upfitted with a brand new Rocky Ridge K2 package on it. This is one extreme truck. Just got done driving it down the road, and I love the white on white. Drives really good. Looks great with the 37 and 6-inch lift on it. And just a fun truck to have. All right, let's take a look at it. So up front here, I did mention it does have that Hemi, which is the 5.7 liter V8, and it is the eTorque. Now the eTorque is a mild hybrid system. Basically what it does, before you turn off, say, I don't want no hybrid truck, it's actually really cool. Not only does it increase your torque, towing capacity, all that, what it does, it also increases your fuel mileage, particularly where fuel mileage is horrible in pickup trucks, and that's in town at the stop and go, traffic. That eTorque, that mild hybrid system, kicks in at that stop and go traffic to pick up fuel mileage. Also, it's really good for torque if you are off-roading, and a lot of cool benefits there. All right, so this is, again, equipped with the Rocky Ridge K2 package, which is a 6-inch suspension lift, allows for those 37-inch KM3 tires, which we'll look at here in a second, fit underneath this truck. In addition to that, it's got a lot of other cool stuff, which I'll show you here today. All new redesigned front end. You can see the Rocky Ridge badging up front here. We got the 3 amber lights and then the 20-inch LED light bar right down below. Still has the factory front parking sensors in there, still has the fog lights, which are great to turn on when you're on the trail to help light it up alongside of that 20-inch light bar. Now it's got some bigger wheels and tires on it, 20-inch wheels, so that means you need a more extended fender here. So they've added these fender extenders here. It's a color painted to match the rest of the truck, and it's a smooth finish. You don't see all the individual bolts like you do on a lot of kits, so that's a nice seamless look. 20-inch Rocky Ridge wheels on there. There's a custom wheels, Rocky Ridge brake caliber cover there, and again wrapped in the BFGoodrich. These are the mud terrain KM3 tires that are 37 inches. That tire right there performs awesome on the road. It's pretty quiet for an off-road tire. In addition to that, it is the most probably researched and designed tire out there for off-road. Notice how you got the tread all the way throughout about half the sidewall here. That allows you to grip onto those rocks and things as you're off on the trail. And I can stick my whole finger in the tread. Let's see here. Get a better shot of that's how deep that tread is on this. Oh yeah, let's check out some of the suspension stuff here. So again, got a 6-inch suspension lift, all professionally done. You see the cradle down there, everything is very nicely done. Rocky Ridge actually mirrors the factory warranty. They've partnered with Ram for a number of years, so they don't void any of the factory warranty, and they actually complement it by adding a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty on everything that they have done. Now you've got some Rocky Ridge badging up here. When I open up the door, power step comes out. That's upgraded power step. It's an amp research power step as well. So that goes over both door entrances on that side of the vehicle, which is really nice to help you get up into it. This is a Bighorn Sport. See some of the Fox shocks down there. It does have a Gibson exhaust on it. Dual exhaust, painted tips back here. See those? Those are probably, I don't know, 3.5, 4-inch tips on it. Has backup sensors on it as well as a backup camera. Has your towing receiver down here, 2-inch towing receiver. Has your factory wiring, 7 and your 4-pin up top. These new trucks come with the dampening tailgate, which is nice. It's the slow release tailgate, which is really nice in these lifted trucks. Tailgates get heavy, and it's nice having that tailgate actually assist you in lifting it, not in addition to lowering it. All right, as we get to the driver's side, I always do like to mention about financing. We get a lot of questions about that. So if you're interested in financing, yes, you can finance this whole package. If you want to see if you're qualified, all that, we've actually, the internet guys, I'm not that smart, have created a website for you. I'd post it down in the description, so just check that out. It'll save you a lot of time and give you a lot of information there. Take a look in the back seat of these Rams. So known for their amount of room back here, these new Rams. This does have the rubber mat as well to keep it clean. And then down here you've got your hidden compartments. There's going to be one of these on both sides. A lot of people use those as coolers because there's a pull-out tray in there, and also just a kind of a safe spot to put stuff. Now, this being a big horns only come in cloth. So Rocky Ridge has upgraded the leather, and you know, I think this leather is nicer than what Ram puts in the Laramies. It's a nice thick leather. I love the diamond design on the insert and the custom stitching as well as the piping. Now these seats still fold up both sides, so if you need to increase your cargo space inside, you can. You still have your USB outlets and wall outlet right there. All right, let's jump in the cockpit and take a look. I love how the door handles are painted to match as well. So as we come in, notice we've got power seat here and a 4-way power lumbar. Still got that really thick, notice it's Ram rubber mat down there, so it's form-fitting. Really looks good. Now as we get in here, a couple things that I always like to point out. We've got custom badging. Look here at the speedometer. It says Rocky Ridge. It's got the Rocky Ridge emblem. Same on the tack over here. Still have all your controls. Shows your speedometer, when to change your oil, your fuel economy, all that right there. And the center cluster that can be controlled right here with these arrow buttons. Has automatic headlights, adjustable foot pedals. Those are your gas and brake pedals. You can bring them out or away from you, depending on your leg length. Looky here. It's got power mirrors that also power fold in. I like that, especially on a big truck. That's a nice feature to have. Power windows and power locks over here as well. And then there is a beverage spot down there, and kind of a catch-all in the door itself. Put all your stuff that you never need, I guess. Touchscreen radio. It's AM, FM, Sirius, XM radio. It does have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay capabilities. We have heated seats and leather-wrapped steering wheel in this. And dual, get the climate on here. Dual climate controls as well. Here's your 4-wheel drive selector here and your 8-speed automatic transmission. It's a push button start. On the steering wheel, you do have cruise control and gearing control down here. I love this spot here. So if you look here, there's a spot to keep my phone, keeps it from sliding around while driving around, and also another slot down there, as well as spots to charge. Let me get that. There you go. Some USBs to charge your phone right there. Some more beverage holders, a change organizer. Here's your key. It does have keyless entry as well as remote start and panic. Glove compartment. Rocky Ridge upfits it with the locking glove box here. Get this opened up. That's sweet. I love that. And then as we come over here, has your Bighorn badging on your top glove box, and then your normal glove box down below. All around sweet vehicle. Has your power window back there. Nice truck. If you're looking for a truck that is full of performance and can do things that your neighbor's truck just can't do, not only that, but it's going to look different than every other neighbor's truck out there. Definitely take a look at these Rocky Ridge trucks. We're one of the largest dealers, so we offer value pricing on them. Yeah, anything else you might need, let us know. I appreciate you hanging out with me for a little bit of your day. I hope this truck got you excited. It's really a cool truck. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.